5,001 lakh rupee poster also.
Mac. Hi. Hey guys, this is Vishali for the people, by the people, of the people on Extreme Roads. So my extremes, today I'm going to bring out to you yet another vlog, and this is going to be interesting, and I am in Mumbai. Well, there is always a reason for a vlog, and this vlog also has some reason. There was one of our friend who has invited us for a dinner party. He's from a filmy dunya and he assisted Anurag Kashyap. To our surprise, we saw film posters on his walls and we were so excited about it. I asked him that even I want one. So he said, yeah, I'm so sorry, this is exclusive and I cannot disclose the place. Well, so hunt begins. Landmark, Crossword, Film City, Crawford Market, Oshivira, God knows how many places I have searched one, but I had no clue. But the search doesn't end here. So today's vlog begins from here and I'm going to take you to that place, and that is Marilyn Monroe, Al Pacino, Raj Kapoor, Mughal-e-Azam, Jahara, to the world of posters today. So come with me. Thank you.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. I know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss.
If you are so much fond of old records, then don't miss to come out over here. So you will get even that. कितनी पुरानी रिकॉर्ड मिल जाएंगी?
50 years, 60 years, 70 years. ये तो 1940s के हैं. KL साइगल है, पंकज मलिक है.
और वो कितने के?
200, 300.
ग्रामोफोन जो है वो कितने का?
2200.
This is a whole lot of records here. This whole shop is filled with records. So just name it and you will get it. His name is?
Wali.
Wali. Okay. This is Wali's shop and they have beautiful antique stuff here. You can come over. I know you all are waiting for the poster, but wait and watch. Hi. Wow, this is humongous. And I am calling you off from this poster shop, which is really an exclusive one for the one who are from the filmy dunya and for the one who are the filmy fans and guys. Cinema is all around. So if you have not subscribed me, then do subscribe me and do like it and comment it, and your suggestions are most welcome. Also ask your family and friends to share when you share. I love this man. He was a good actor. 30 by 40 इंचेस के होते हैं मैक्स. ओके, और सबसे कम में
20 by 30.
20 by 30. ओके, 25,000. वाओ. संगम का
20.
20. कहीं और कहीं पर. The rates goes like, it starts from 400 as I said, and it goes till 40,000, which are reprints. Fine. And the original ones, which were basically printed by the theater guys or the distributors themselves in that time, those he is saying that they will be around 5 lakh rupees, means the exclusive ones like Mughal-e-Azam or Guide or any such very old ones. Maybe he'll come out to some lesser amount, but as of now he is saying 5 lakhs.
If you buy few more posters, then we'll make reasonable. का ये रीप्रिंट है इसलिए. ओके. The name of the shop is Poster stuff.
Poster
Stuff.
poster stuff. And let me tell you one thing, the time is going to be out because this whole area is going to be demolished and you won't find a single shop then for 5 years from now. Acha, okay, he'll be starting it in Colaba. Koi specific jagah?
Yeah, nearby Leopold and that.
I guess so. You should not get disappointed now. So posters are there and posters are going to be got there. Now, one more time I'm telling you that there are the original posters made is one oil paint poster and then they are being reprinted in several numbers. So those numbers of which they have are called original, and the reprint one, they will tell you very clearly that those are the reprint one. And the range we have seen 400 to 40,000 would be the reprint one, and the original ones you will get it. Okay guys, so thanking him.
Thanks.
And you can catch him in Leopold in Colaba. Okay, प्रेमनाथ वाला है. कितने में आप सेल कर रहे हैं? 800 रुपये में. लो, कैसे हैं आप?
कैसे हैं मैडम?
बस ठीक है, मैं आपके यहाँ ही आने वाली थी.
आइए मैडम, आइए.
अभी आप तो बाहर जा रहे हो लगता है.
अभी 5 मिनट में आ रहा
कोई बात नहीं, आइए, मैं आती हूँ. Okay guys, so let's type extremes. Yeah guys, so you will get so many antique and rare products over here in this street, and this is called Mutton Street. Yes, we are going to move on for one more shop. I'll take you there. Shop we can find few more posters. Of course not of big size, but definitely you will find one which you want.
पहले पोस्टर्स जो है ना कैनवास के ऊपर बनते थे. जो आर्ट डायरेक्टर जो रहते थे ना मैडम, फेमस सीन्स है, फेमस शॉट्स है, हीरो हीरोइंस के फेस कैसे बनाने हैं, क्या है क्या नहीं, तो वो कैनवास के ऊपर पहले उतारते थे. पेंटिंग जो है पहले वो बनती थी मैडम. और पोस्टर्स का जो साइज आता था ना मैडम, एक 20 बाई 30 इंच का साइज आता था और एक 30 बाई 40 इंच का साइज आता था मैडम. और एक सिनॉप्सिस आती थी मैडम. उसमें क्या रहता था, गाने वगैरह की एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स वगैरह रहती थी. आर्ट डायरेक्टर है, प्रोड्यूसर है, वो एक बुक के अंदर आते थे मैडम. कौन है कास्ट है, कौन क्रू है, किसने क्या काम किया है, कैमरामैन कौन है, आर्ट डायरेक्टर कौन है, प्रोड्यूसर कौन है. ये जो है ना, दीज आर कॉल्ड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर प्रिंट्स मैडम. ये जो है ना डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर के ऑफिस वगैरह के अंदर जो पोस्टर्स वगैरह लगते थे ना, वो ये चीज है. देखिए ये 2 शत्रु है, शर्मिला टैगोर है, ये देखिए उमराव जान है, ये रेखा जी की बेस्ट मूवी है, ये अमित जी का मूवी है सिलसिला. ये देखिए ये देखिए देव साहब की मूवी है डार्लिंग टावर. श्री 420 है, इस तरीके से आनंद. ये कागज के फूल है, ये देखिए. ये ड्राइंग जो बोलते हैं ना मैडम, ये देखिए स्केच ड्राइंग वर्क है, ये आर्ट वर्क बोलते हैं इसको मैडम. ये चीज जो है अभी नहीं होती है. अभी जो कुछ भी पोस्टर्स वगैरह बनाने का रहता है या कुछ भी रहता है तो वो डिजिटलाइज हो गया है मैडम. तो ज्यादातर है ना ये लोगों को पसंद आता है कि ये आर्ट जो है ना, आर्ट ऑफ द पोस्टर द पीपल लाइक द मस्ट. अभी इसमें आप देख सकते हैं जिस देश में गंगा बहती है, ये मूवी का पोस्टर है. और इसमें देखिए आर्ट देखिए आप मैडम. मेरा दुकान का नाम बॉलीवुड बाजार है.
हाँ जी.
सो यू कैन, दुकान के नाम से ही आपको पता चल जाएगा कि क्या क्या चीज में मैं मशहूर हूँ. आई हैव गॉट अराउंड लाइक 4500 मूवी टाइटल्स आई हैव गॉट. कोई भी पोस्टर चाहिए मैडम फ्रॉम 1940s टिल 1980s, आई हैव गॉट अ कंप्लीट कलेक्शन ऑफ फिल्म फेयर मैगजीन्स आल्सो. मेरी स्पेशलिटी है मूवी पोस्टर्स के अंदर. आपको अमिताभ बच्चन के मूवी के पोस्टर्स चाहिए, you can get it in my shop. If you want Guru Dutt movie posters, you can get it in my shop. If you want Raj Kapoor movie posters, you can get it in my shop. देवानंद है, अपना धर्मेंद्र जी है, राजेश खन्ना है. बॉलीवुड बाजार के नाम से ही शो.
अच्छा, बॉलीवुड बाजार. और कहाँ पे है एग्जैक्टली? वो
यहाँ पे है, थोड़ा अपना पैदुनी साइड पे है मैडम. मैडम रेंज जो है वो डिपेंड्स. 50 रुपीज, 25 रुपीज, 100, 500, 5000 and 1 lakh rupee poster also. I have got maximum 1 lakh rupee. Yeah, 1 lakh rupee poster also. This is the size 20 by 30. This is all real hand painted posters here. This type here. हाथ से जो बनाते थे ना मैडम posters वगैरह, you can see. This is real canvas posters. These are the lobby cards. Inside the lobbies they used to put like this thing. It's the movie Pakiza ticket here. This is also the great collection.
And how much
item.
you sell this for?
This one is like
So guys, just imagine why Shah Rukh must be so crazy that he bought Mughal-e-Azam. Mughal-e-Azam's poster for 1.5 CR. So guys, in Bollywood Bazaar you will get all different varieties of posters, not only posters but you will get synopsis, you will get even postcards, and it is an amazing shop, and Wahid will be guiding you with all the authentic and reprint products. So you have heard him. Also he has a showroom there. And guys, it's an amazing shop. Don't just go in this small shop that I'm showing you right now. But this shop has amazing things, and Wahid has carried out this legacy not only by him but by his grandfather and grandfather, right?
yes, sure.
So guys, you have to come to Wahid shop, and the name is Bollywood Bazaar. Okay guys, so we have just been to a poster shop, and it was so amazing to see that we had so many varieties of posters there. It's from Bollywood to Hollywood they do have, but the original ones they have are of Bollywood. So if you have to come, you know where you have to come, and it's a Mutton Street Chor Bazaar, as everybody knows, in Grand Road. So just browse around this market and you will see so many of the shop. I'm sitting here at one of such shop where there are so many typewriters, and I love typewriting. So guys, I'm calling off from Bollywood Bazaar, and if you have not subscribed, then do subscribe, and I'll bring you more such varieties and beautiful stories also on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Also share it with friends and families.